Yo, what's up, TFM Nation? So, yeah, this is gonna be a new kind of a video, but I just wanted to make a tribute. And yeah, anyway, this is the behind the scenes of my thesis film, and yeah, from beginning to end. I didn't get to record every little detail, but I recorded some stuff here and then. But yeah, hopefully you all enjoy it, and yeah, I will put a subtitle on, obviously, because we spoke in our native language. So yeah, Tagalog. Here you go, brother. Medyo dusty lang.
Thanks, man.
Are you happy for that, brother? Behind the scenes, kuya. Here is Kuya Ray po, food. Tapos siya po ang prod manager ko. Yes po. Behind the scenes.
Oh my God!
Talaga pag nabibigla. Hello po, third camera. Dito po kami.
This is behind the scenes vlog. Vlog version. Rushing DOP editor. Producer.
Bisa nyo! Hurry up! We're running out of time, people!
Ibang producer ang gumagasta. Hindi ko dito. Ay, bro. Nababa ko na lang.
Hindi ko alam.
ako ha!
O yan. First shot mo. O yan.
Namiss you. Okay, behind the scenes.
Hindi bilog.
Hindi, kahit hindi siya bilog.
Ano kasi?
Kahit okay lang kahit anong shape.
Kanya yan eh.
Tama.
Gusto ko bilog.
That was the end of our first day. Actually, it's already like too much. There's a lot of production designs, and yeah, I mean my production designers are really good. They've been working really hard, and yeah. Why am I doing it in English? I can actually speak Tagalog. But anyway, yeah. Honestly speaking, I don't think I can graduate on time. I don't think so. But yeah, I mean, my crew and my mom keep on telling me that I can. Just believe, have faith. I want to believe in that too. But if they make the impossible with me, then I have nothing more to thank other than them all, and of course thank God, praise the Lord, if I do graduate on time. But yeah, I'm gonna continue on doing behind the scenes. So yeah, I'm gonna continue vlogging these videos, these clips, and yeah, it's been fun actually, doing animation with the crew. Not all of the crews are here, honestly. Not all of the members are here, but at least most of them are here. But on the weekdays, it's just mostly us, main crew, production designers, and me, obviously. But yeah, my DOP is only on weekends, not weekdays, because of work. I mean, he has prior commitments. But yeah, anyway, that is it. I'm really happy about my crew right now. It's very happy, jolly, I love them, and yeah, I could never ask for any more, of a better crew than this one. I hope this will be my best film for this university. I want to do that. Obviously, I want to do that, but you know, I'm running out of ideas, you know, burned out as always, because this school wants us to go rush this film. Deadline is July 10th, 2025, and that's only tentative, but along the week of that is the deadline. So, and it's already June 1st, okay? So, yeah, there's a lot. Alright, that's it. That's all for this small update. But, yeah, I'm seeing you guys day 2. There's a lot of days for this one, so I have to edit this by a lot. This is gonna be a vlog for my YouTube channel, of course, obviously. And, yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys on the next day. Okay, hold on. Okay. Morning. Hey, cursing. No, because I am recording. Johnny, look behind. Look behind you, Johnny.
What? Oh shit.
Yeah.
Hello there.
Here is Fiona,
Payag ka.
our
Payag ka.
production
Akala mo,
designer.
hindi.
What do you mean no? Anong no?
Ganito na lang. Ngalan mo,
Sikunsi po,
Angge, parang
effort.
Angel.
Eh.
Tapos, ngalan ko, Dave.
Iba
parang
talaga pag
David.
PD.
Oh, panis.
Ay, pa, Johnny!
Sakit ng putong pa.
Kuya
Ang
Ray,
sakit ng katawan.
you good? You still good? Yeah. Batak si
Ay,
Kuya.
muna play.
Hmm?
Chat muna play.
What?
Sasabihin ko pagpalabas na yun sa
Kamusta po, mga bloopers namin dyan?
Ah.
Aking mga ka-bloopers, kamusta na po sa inyo? Ito po, BTS yung...
What?
Oh!
Yung set, yung bilyaw mo. Sabi ko
Tingin muna.
I'm tired.
Hello, tired. My name is Jan.
Oh God.
Content sa babae mo.
Hoy, walang itlog yun. Cut on camera. Cut.
Oh shit!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh shit.
This is day 4. Johnny. And look at the one. Look at him go. Moral support. Yeah.
Important.
Magtotoso ka ng konti.
Kaya naman
Oo, yun nga. Kapag ganun
Wala ba
yung
gamitin?
kung maliit.
Oh.
May gagawin tayo. Hindi,
Babalik naman to sa
Try
dating
na
shape, di ba?
natin.
Okay. Okay. Di ba kasi
Para
di
ba
ba may sa
ano,
dating shape?
JB?
Maghugas kayo ng kamay ha. Kaya mayroon dyang wipes oh.
Okay.
Kasi maghahalo yung kulay nyo. Kaano dyan.
Magiging maitim.
Oh, try mo, direct.
Ha?
Ayaw gumawa ng 3D.
Set kalahati na. Ito ako.
Sheesh!
Kaya para hindi halata, minix ko to. Minix ko to.
Ah,
Hindi halata.
Kasi yan.
Diba no?
Ulo to ng lizard yung dragon. Ayan o.
Ganyan pa mga kagaguhan ginagawa.
Hindi
nila.
dragon to. Ito yung ulo niya. Ito yung dibdib niya. Wala pang kamay. Hindi ko pa nakakita.
Hindi, elephant.
Hindi mo to realistic to eh.
Elephant kasi.
Kahit lang. Hindi kasi realistic ginagawa.
Dinalagyan mo pa ng kulubot.
Hindi. Inaayos ko yung chest mo.
Hindi, gagawa lang rin ako ng ano. Di ba dragon yan? Kailangan niya ng kuweba. Dragon yan, di ba?
Alam nyo, mapopost to sa YouTube.
Oo eh.
Oo.
Na...
Kung nalalagyan ng subtitle.
Oh, kita niyo naman po si Johnny. Opo.
Hello pa guys.
Tapos po si Balbaloni po. Opo. Napaka-effort niyo po. Ito pong dalawa, oh. Oh, bigla ba?
Ay, si Barbing
Biglang ba ako, no? Ang isa, naka-cellphone po siya.
I'm researching kasi Pep.
Ah.
Sa how to improve ang ano.
Patingin po
our
ng...
setup.
patingin po.
Guys, behind the scenes po sa laptop, ay sa iPad ni Pep. Ito po, kasama ko po si Duhan po. Ayan po. Ayan po. At kasama ko rin po si Pep. Kasama ko rin po si Belbeloni. Nandito po. Ayan. Ayan. Okay guys. So,
Para kayong batang ano, amok.
ang dami na po nating progress today. 1 minute, 2 minutes. Yep. Ang dami po naming nagawa. Kasi nagtulungan talaga kami ng my best friend Duhan.
Yes, we're the best team.
Yes, besties,
We help each other,
besties.
diba?
Ay,
We don't
besties.
compete. We help each other.
Yes, we don't compete. Tinutulungan namin yung isa't isa.
Lahat tayo-
Work better!
Work better.
Well, see you guys.
Yeah. Oh. Sige nga. Oh.
Nagawa na ng props na para sa atin mamaya. Ba tayo ng props?
Balbaloni. Oh, vlogging.
Oo nga, magsabi ka naman, Pep. Adjust kami.
Behind the scenes vlogging.
Mata to. Kasi,
Oh, ano yan? Ano naman yan?
mata.
Pang ano sa Yu-Gi-Oh! Pharaoh. Latem. Musta po, Belbeloni? Musta naman po dyan? Musta naman po, Fiona? Oh, ikaw, Duhan. Oh, ikaw, Duhan. Ano naman yan?
Ano lang. Lagi masipag lang. Diba? Para makatulong sa'yo. Plastic ko may camera. Mata.
Ayoko na. No.
Kala ko sibat.
Ano?
Kala ko sibat.
Sibat.
Still.
Paano ba mag-inspire ito? I swear.
Minecraft no. Minecraft.
Kamali lang.
Tapos pagkayaan. Ako na naman makita eh.
Tapos para pag pinababa mo siya doon.
Popost mo to sa FB.
Ha?
Manood kami ah.
Oh, behind the scenes, Michael Duhan. Oh, oy! Grabe naman yun. Parang tunay ah.
Oy, bro. Parang
Ganun. Paano? Ganon. Tapos, na-invite. Parang board.
PD meeting. Hey.
Anong na yun? Black ba?
Kung alam.
Black ba talaga siya?
Isama din sa
Para kasi siyang ano lang. Parang talaga siyang didikit
Oo. Yan nga.
Wala mo kasi yung Melody.
Hindi naman. Ngayon kailangan akong mahugad ng
Pili ko si Johnny. Charot!
Tapos siyang ano.
May naka-video pala. Wala mo ka. Mukha naman na siyang ulo.
Alam.
Ka natawa?
Masama ba?
Ano tumataba na? Yung paa.
Wala, duhan. Hala.
Nawalan lang din.
Dan masama ba? Seriously.
Less pa lang din yan.
Wait ka kasi.
Ayan ba?
May video, may video.
Biglang kumilos, oh.
May video.
Oo, ano?
Video,
Ano yan?
Yan, ganda. Natapos. Oh, may video. Ay, may video. Ay, tapos na ko.
Biglang bangon.
Siyempre, kasama yun sa ano behind the scene.
Behind the scenes vlog. Mother.
Talagyan ng subtitle.
Oo.
Yung kasayo.
Yes.
Pati
May
as.
Koreano pa.
Yeah.
Ang inagyan no. Import from Korea.
Talaga na. Koreanong ano, bilaw. Malakas to, ano to. Film. Expansive.
Pag kinain niyo yung pagkain sa baba, mabubusog kayo.
Ano ba yun?
Hindi. Palitaw yun. Na may cheese tsaka na may ano.
Wala si John. Video pa naman.
Oh.
Oo nga, ano? Iinto ko pa naman sa
Palitaw with a twist pa naman.
nakita ko lang kasi yun sa TikTok.
Naambunan nyo.
Kaya sabi ko, try ko.
Yan
Try ko yung
naambunan
palitaw.
eh.
Cheese.
Diyan. Naamo na.
Long day na ba to? I don't know what day this is. I can't keep in check.
At natapos ko sa kulay. Ano mangyari sa kulay?
Hanggang ulit. Magsiseparate, scatter. Punta dito, punta rin sa Bulaklak.
After that,
What day is it today? I don't remember. Yeah. The one there. Kuya Ray. Yeah.
Direct.
Behind the scenes, Johan. Johnny is not here. Wow. It'll be his last day on Wednesday. Musta Duhan? Ayos ka pa Duhan? Ikaw Fiona. Ayos ka pa?
oo nga pa naman. Nawala yung tao eh.
Bully oh.
Hindi oh, nabuli. Kaya buli.
Oh ano?
Sorry.
Buti ka sa akin ah.
Matapang na. Matapang ka.
Oo, matapang talaga ako. Laki mami sa ito eh.
Pinagbalaki talaga eh, no?
Oo.
Gano'n ka-video ba yan?
Behind the scenes.
Nagpas nag-aaway.
Kung niya po na amin.
Oo nga eh. 1 week.
1 week kailang. Sawadee ka.
officially 1 week. Technical difficulties, the struggle. Here's Purdy.
Delete mo yung...
Delete mo?
Hindi ko may...
Sige. Behind the scenes.
Nakakasad guys. Alam mo yun. Alam mo, feeling editor na sana ako. Kaso, hindi natuloy. Ganito, PD pa rin ako. Awa na.
Proud naman, no?
Ganyan nyo.
Oops.
I hate this job.
What did you say?
Hey, yo!
Joke lang. This is my first time as a production designer. And somewhat I really like. Tapos the
Yung dito purple, tapos dito yellow, tapos blue. Yung first PD wala dito.
yes, yung PD na leader. Hindi maasahan yun.
Wow.
Buti kinuha ako. Kung hindi ako kinuha, wala nang maasahan na PD dito eh.
Yellow.
Sinira!
Siniraan, ano?
Mukha siya naman manira sa akin. Wala ako eh.
Oo nga.
Oo ba, palitan na tayo. Pag nagkita tayo, wala tayong goods lang tayo.
Day 8.
O, mabilis pa rin tayo. Day 8 lang to?
Day 8 na.
Wala akong tubig.
Ha?
Wala pang tubig.
Wala pa nga.
Mabilis tayo. Positive na lang, Ben. No. Ikaw ba yun? Nag-no ka?
Hindi.
Nag-no ka.
Hindi, oh. Yun.
Dati ako, bilis na ako nakalagay.
Oo.
Kasi tutumba ito bigla eh. Nakakatuwa na ulit. Lakas na ako ulit.
Ano po ang inyong nararamdaman po, Kuya Ray, sa shoot?
Kumanta siya.
Kayo po, PD. Na-interview ko na si Belbeloni kahapon. Oo.
I'm so hot right now kasi wala sa... I'm so sad kasi wala si Duhan.
Nasa mid si Duhan.
Eme.
Joke lang pala, ano?
Siyempre joke yun. Joke yun.
What do you feel about your job po?
Okay lang.
Okay.
Basic.
Wow! Kayo, Kuya?
Hindi basic, hindi. Not so basic.
Kayo, Kuya? Ano po ang inyong nararamdaman sa inyong work?
Hi.
Wow.
Word.
Hi.
Ayun na yun.
Mahirap.
Ayun na yun.
No. Oh, tinidirect.
Ups. Hindi, atras. Yan.
Wala niya rin. Ay, sadya naman. Hindi. Ay. Kamay ko yan!
Oh, di ba? Ay sa inyo eh.
Yoko na. Huwag na.
Basta po ang inyong gawa.
Buhay pa naman. May kamay pa.
Kamusta, Kuya Ray? Matatapos na tayo sequence 4. Kamusta, Kuya? Kayo pa.
Maling. Hindi ayos. This is day 9.
Yeah, day 9.
Day 9 and we're about a mile ago. Mile ago?
While ago, we are now almost done. Yes. Yes.
We're almost done and
Yes.
we are almost at the heaven.
Oh, wait. What did he say? Tomorrow is the final day. Yeah.
Yes, tomorrow
Sana.
is rest day. Yes.
Oy, anong rest day?
Rest day tomorrow.
Mas maraming gagawin
I'll
doon.
be going back by Thursday.
Tapos na yun. See you next on the final day. Yes.
See you at our final day.
Sabi naman ng panig sa akin. Kailangan daw 2, 3, or 4 months ko siya gagawin. Pero, ayun, 10 days na bukas. Matatapos na kami. Be realistic daw. Ito, realistic lang, guys. Oh, di ba? Tingnan nyo naman, no?
Sinabi ng panel.
Correct.
2 to 3.
Ano dapat?
Ops! June 10, guys. June 10. Yes, sir. June 10. Diba? At least binablog ko yung thesis ko bukod sa behind the scenes photo. Baka mamaya sabihin AI eh. Oo. Make or break na tomorrow, guys.
Yes, rest day.
Anong rest day?
Rest day.
Final day.
Oh, it's rest day.
Walang rest day.
Rest day.
Walang rest day sa amin.
Rest day.
Rest day namin gabi. Ang oras pa ngayon, no? 5:20. Yeah. Nagsimula kami 2, hindi, 12.
Rest day tomorrow, guys.
Anong rest day?
Excited.
No.
Excited na.
This is day 9. See you again tomorrow, which is the final day of
The
production.
If it is
Oy!
successful.
Day 10, final day for production. Kaya post-prod na tayo. Johnny!
Hello po.
Kuya! Fiona! Ayun yung greeting eh, no? Bell balloons.
Tama!
Hello, nice to meet you again.
Day 10.
1997 ka?
Final day.
Damn!
I want tea. I want tea. You know?
Hello camera, hello vlog. Nandito nga po pala kami.
No, don't. Take two.
I'm not revealing our location. Basta nandito po kami sa
Wow.
Nandito po kami sa Nasugbu, Batangas, kung saan maraming beaches at maraming resort na nandito.
Tama naman.
Tama, di ba?
Tama.
beaches? B-I o B-E-A?
Pareha. Ang isa nga po pala dito, si Kuya Ray. Diyan ko lang, hindi ko beach.
Day 10. Yes.
Final day.
Final day.
Final day po. Kakarating ko lang rin.
Sana final day. Musta po, Johnny?
Ha?
Musta?
Okay lang po. Ganito talaga ang buhay. Minsan mahihirapan tayo. Pero hindi ibig sabihin, susuko na tayo. Success isn't defined by how many times you fail. It's defined by how many times you get back up.
Oh! Bebaloni.
Tapos na po ang trabaho.
Hindi pa po. Kitang-kita nyo naman po.
Hindi pa.
Kamusta naman po, Fiona?
Fiona Irene.
Wow! Oh! Baka PD Hindi yun.
Personal.
Director.
So, I'm a mini PD.
Mini PD.
Mini, you're not a mini.
Balbaloni. Musta?
Ayoko na.
Johnny. Musta? Hindi na nagsasalita oh. Yun na. Hindi na rin nagsasalita oh.
Bitin na lang.
Ano na, ano na.
Progress.
Oh, okay lang naman kahit di siya di ba?
Yeah.
Ayan.
Hard worker.
Let's go!
Why aren't you speaking?
Nothing.
You're out of social battery?
Me?
Medyo.
Nagwa-wipes lang.
Johnny's out.
Robot na siya. No, first time. First time kong makita. Ganun ka pala pag robot.
Tahimik na. Why? Alright, alright, I'll stop.
Okay ba? Wait, yung ano ha, huwag mo muna ano yan.
Alin?
Okay ba? Okay ba?
Ay, naka-video ka na.
Yep.
Excuse me. Mahirap.
Aba ano?
Kasi ganyan yung pag...
Oh, wait lang daw, sabi ni PD.
Ah. O yan.
Yan!
Okay.
Flowers.
Oh, flowers na.
Doon ka. Doon ka.
Sige, bubo ka. Bulang ka.
I need some rest. Kailangan ko ng magandang environment sa buko.
Ups. Sumobra. Oh, na. Ito na.
Wait lang!
It's around! Okay na to? Okay
Yes.
na. Yung credits na lang.
Credit. Yes.
Sure ka
Oh. Yeah, credits na tayo.
Sure siya. Sure po siya.
Credit.
It's a wrap. Hopefully, this is gonna be good. And yep, that is definitely a wrap. Yep, okay, I just finished editing all of the clips. As you can see right here, I'm gonna show you. There it is. As you can see on the screen right there, right? As you can see here, I pretty much edited out everything. As you can tell, yeah, I edited out everything. If there's gonna be added more details, that's up to me. Okay. I'm just gonna have to do another take on this ending because the video is already long enough. It's already more than 30 minutes long. Just behind the scenes, so I'm just gonna take this time to thank all of my crew, my friends, my family, everyone involved in this. My friend who is going to be my editor on certain animes also helped me in sound design. Tsurumi, also known as my friend Jomil, who is also an editor for VTubers out there. Yeah, he also did my sound design and music score on this film. So I just wanted to thank him for that. And yeah, he didn't even ask for money, you know, for payment. But he just wanted to help out and just wanted to get this over with. So yeah, I'm really thankful for him. So thank you very much, my friend. And also big shout out to Tony, who is also the assistant editor on my thesis film. He helped, and yeah, anyway, thank you to my post-production team, all of you, every single one of you made this film work, and also obviously the core crew. I just wanted to thank my poster maker, my poster designer, who is also a subscriber and who is also going to be my co-worker for the original animations that we're going to do. So here is some small tease that she has done for our project. She is the one who's basically doing almost everything because she is the one who is an expert in art. I'm the one directing, storyboarding, writing, etc. Me, my poster maker, who is Monique, and Jomil, who is my editor, my sound designer, music scorer, are going to work together to produce original animation content for YouTube, for you guys. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. And I just wanted to thank her for taking the time to make the poster. And here's the small teaser, the character designs, teasers. And yeah, I'm also gonna write the story first. Stay tuned on I'm probably gonna post it on my Wattpad so that I can just, you know, reiterate it in animation format. So yeah, we can just be creative when it comes to the animation later on. But for now, here's the small teaser that I'm gonna show you. This is basically a story based on a true story of myself, and then we're gonna expand it. If it is going to be successful in the near future, we're going to expand the story with my friends because they also have their stories to tell that is connected, deeply connected to my story. So alright, I'm recording this again because yeah, my artist, my fellow friend artist, just sent this to me, and this is just rough sketch, first draft. And yeah, and here are some of the teasers that she has done for our animation project. Hope you all enjoy. And like I said, she did this for a few days now, few all-nighters, and yeah, hope you guys appreciate it. More information on the official announcement soon whenever we are done. And I am now gonna rebrand this channel into TFM Animation instead of TFM Nation. TFM Nation will still stand, but on the third channel that I have. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed. This animation project will be a passion project of ours, and yeah, this is basically another adaptation that I have done in the past, and that is a short film about my backstory, about my crush. And yeah, this is gonna be a two-part story on mine. And yeah, the second part sequel will be a sequel that hasn't been adapted or that hasn't been done yet. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed. and I've also gotten some consent, okay, from other people, and yeah, they're very cool with it, so I'm gonna mention them later on. But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to thank some of my panelists. During my presentation, during my defense, they were all cool, but one of them actually scored me super low, 55 over 100, which is ridiculous. I am the only one who has scored below 60. Okay, I'm the only one who has scored that. All of them are like more than 60, more than 70, and yeah, only one of my panelists actually scored me 55. But two of my panelist members, who is actually like one of my enemies, worst enemies to take, actually became like a cool sport, because he actually scored me super high, and he actually praised my film really high. And yeah, so is my advisor, so I wanted to thank them for that. And also a special mention, special thank you, special acknowledgement to a certain professor who actually gave me, and not just me, gave us cookies. I can't show it, but I'm gonna show it in the previous video that I did. He gave us, not just me, but he gave us some cookies, I forgot the brand, but we just put it here. But yeah, thank you to my professor, because I didn't expect that. Right? I just wanted to thank him, especially because from day one he is our very first professor, and ever since then he has been a very, very cool professor. He's not just a great professor, he's a really, really good person. Okay, that's what I love about him, and hopefully continue to strive, sir. I really admire you. I really do support you for being a cool, good professor. So yeah, he's a great guy. He is a good person in nature. So yeah, I wanted to thank him. I'm not gonna say his name though, not to disclose. Now, I just wanted to thank my crew, my friends, my family. I wanted to thank my mom especially for supporting me all the way throughout, telling me never give up, and yep, here I am now. I am going to graduate on time, and yeah, it's unreal, it's surreal, honestly. Like, I thought for sure I'm not gonna graduate on time, but here I am. And I wanted to thank my editor, even though we have our ups and downs, still you've been there with me. And yeah, my sponsors, I'm not gonna name every single one of them, but yeah, I wanted to thank my sponsors as well. If without them, this film wouldn't be happening right now, or it wouldn't have happened right now. So yeah, there's no funding, so yeah, without the funds I won't be making this film, and I cannot make this film. And I want to thank my crew. They are also my friends. I wanted to thank Johnny, who is also like, Johnny is in he's in a couple of my reaction videos, along with Wei, who we call as Kuya Ray. So yeah, I wanted to thank him as well. He's very, very supportive, very, very, he's very helpful. And yeah, he's my production manager, a PD assist, a production designer assistant, and an in-between animator. So yeah, Johnny is an in-between animator as well. I wanted to thank Duhan, or Dutz, who also was a part of my reaction videos from before, like Clash of the Elite, and yeah, specifically Clash of the Elite Season 2. He is also an in-between animator. Thank you for taking the time to help me for 4 days, because he has work to do, okay? And he took the 4 days off just to help me. All right, I wanted to thank him for that. I wanted to thank my my art director, or should I say the second production designer, JB. Thank you so much for helping me. I know this was very abrupt. I told him if he can help me, that would be much appreciated, and he did help me, so I wanted to thank you for that. I know it's a bit abrupt, but still I wanted to thank you for that, so thank you very much. And yeah, it's been a while since we've contacted each other, so I can't believe that he actually helped me ever since, like, before the COVID era started. We pretty much, died down our contacts with each other. So yeah, my high school friends, my high school classmates. I wanted to thank Fiona, who is my main production designer. Since day one, she told me that she is willingly going to help me when I put this job to her. When I told her that she's going to be a production designer, she's like, go. And ever since, she has been my core crew of this film. And yeah, she has been the very first crew that I recruited in the film production process. So yeah, she has been there since day one, and I wanted to thank her so much for that. And she never backed out. She's just willingly helping me. She's just willing to help me. And yeah, I wanted to thank her for that. And yeah, just being there with her, it just makes my day. I know that saying that will let you guys know how I'm feeling towards her. I did tell her how I feel about her, okay? She knows that, and she knows that we're doing original animations about my story, and yeah. So I just wanted to thank her for that. And yeah, she has been a great inspiration. She has been a very, very supportive friend. And yeah, I have my ups and downs during my university year. I just wanted to share this because this is a very, very special mention, very special acknowledgement of Fiona, who is my production designer, and is also one of my greatest friends out there, and who is also my greatest inspiration making this film and creating this film, because we started this film from scratch. Literally, the script isn't finalized, but with her there being present, my mind is just thinking so many things creatively. So her presence there alone is enough for me to create and think of many things about this film. So yeah, and in the end, the film worked, and I cannot believe that it worked. My advisor loved it. My worst enemy loved it, and wanted me to submit it to film festivals. And a former faculty member, a former professor of our university, also loves it. If you guys know, I doubt myself every single time, starting when I was in second year. Every single time I doubt myself, did I choose the right path to be a filmmaker? Did I make the right choice of being a filmmaker? I always ask myself that. I always doubt myself that. And then whenever I doubt myself, Fiona would chat me and say, because of me, her film has become successful, and she has learned so much from me, from my stories, from my I'd say discussions, not lessons. I'd say discussions with me in films. And yeah, she said that because of me, her film strived to be this good. Her films, or their films I should say, continued to do better. They are continuously getting better because of what I'm saying, because of what I've said before, because I am a filmmaker, and she has been heavily influenced by me. So yeah, because of her alone, I never doubted myself. Whenever she's chatting me every now and then, I never doubt myself again. That's why I thank her so much, because without her, I would have continuously doubted myself if I am a filmmaker, if I am a good filmmaker to someone, and that someone is her. And I actually really, really adore that. I cherish that from the bottom of my heart, and I wanted to thank her for that, because yeah, like I said, because of her, I continued to be a filmmaker, and I continued to graduate on time. I've crashed out so many times, and because of that, I continuously doubt myself. But she chats me and she says she has earned so many awards. Yeah, I cannot believe that I am one of her reasons that she has come this far. Because of me, I'm one of the reasons why she has come this far, and I wanted to thank her. There's just so many things I wanted to say, especially to her, but yeah, I think I've said enough, okay? And I've already said, I don't think I've said this to her, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna relay this message to her. But yeah, thank you so much. I can't remember if I did say this to her because I'm just at a loss for words. But yeah, editing this behind the scenes, I just wanted to go back and experience the fun again of creating this film. It's so fun, honestly. It's so chill. We've never rushed. Honestly, we're just joking around, messing around, chatting with each other. It was a lot of fun. You couldn't tell that on behind the scenes. And yeah, this is what I wanted from film productions. Never have a toxic relationship, okay? We just want a very smooth sailing film production, healthy production. No one is backstabbing each other, because I've experienced that so many times, and I do not like those kinds of people. You might be a good filmmaker, but you're not a respectable person, and that's what I do not like, okay? All right. Thank you guys so much. I hope this video is trimmed out. I hope it is. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Enough about yapping. So yeah, I just wanted to thank every single one of you guys as well, because you guys have been very patient with me. And yeah, here I am. I'm gonna focus on you guys now. I'm gonna focus on YouTube, and I hope you guys are excited for our original animation projects. Okay, it's not just one. There's many projects that we're making. All right. And yeah, anyway, I'm collabing, like I said, with my friends from my university, from our university. And yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys again on other anime reaction videos out there, and animation original animation projects that we are doing. All right, hope you all are excited for that. So yeah, and I hope you all like the teasers that my artist made. All right, so yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Bye, peace out.